Yo, what's up guys, this is Gaming Legend here. Today I'm going to be doing a BMX bike check. So my main BMX is a Harrow, and the pedals I have are Stephen Hamilton. They're like see-through, sorta, there. And then the pegs I have are butcher pegs, they're real good pegs. Then I have this Salt saddle with an awesome sticker on it. It's really cool. I like it. Got that for my birthday. It's my birthday today. They have these awesome handlebar grips. And I have no brake on my left brake. And then I have this awesome stem, which I forget the name of. Sorry. Then I have a boardroom sticker. Another boardroom sticker. It's upside down. Another boardroom sticker. With the people sticker there, with the people sticker there, another with the people sticker there, and another with the people sticker there. And yeah. Is there anything else? I don't think so. Oh yeah, I have these little caps for my thing there. They're pretty cool. I like them. I have a blue one and a green one. But I just need to show you guys my t-shirt I got for my birthday. I was showing you that boardroom thing, wasn't I? So here you go. So guys, didn't I say I had an awesome t-shirt? It's a boardroom BMX t-shirt. Just got it for my birthday. It's really good. Yay! Here I am. So yeah, guys, if you liked it, make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Peace out.